Hey guys, Courtney with Craft-e-Corner here. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm going to show you how to remove materials from your Cricut cutting mats. Now you might be thinking, isn't that fairly obvious? You just remove the material from the mat, but there's actually a trick that will help you to save your materials from ripping or bending or cupping. So I'm really excited to show you this little trick today. I learned it a couple months into my Cricut crafting, and for the past 3 years I've been using it, and it's a game changer. So I'm super excited to show you. So let's get started. Alright, so the first material we're going to try out is vinyl. So I'm going to apply it to a light grip cutting mat, and then we'll get cutting. So to remove the vinyl from the mat, I'm actually going to flip the mat over, and then I'm going to start by bending the mat back. And as I bend it back, I'm going to hold my vinyl straight and let the mat do the bending. So do you see how the vinyl's not moving at all? It's staying completely straight, and I'm just letting the mat bend back. And then there you have it. It's perfectly straight. There's no kinks. It hasn't ripped anywhere. It's perfect. Alright, so next I want to show you what it looks like when we work with cardstock paper, or really any paper for that matter. So I'm going to get this applied on a light grip cutting mat. Get cutting. We'll use the same method to remove the cardstock as we did the vinyl, but I just want to show you what it looks like. So we'll get this cutting and then I'll remove it. Alright, so we're going to follow the same method that we did for vinyl. You can use this method for any material or any mat. Just flip the mat over and let the mat do the bending back. So as you can see, this is a way more complex design. I had it cut out letters. So I'm just going to continue to let the mat bend. And then a couple letters came off, but we still have the majority of them on. So again, bend the mat here, and I'm going to slowly peel off the letters, making sure to keep them completely straight and not bend the letters at all. These are the insides of the letters, so they don't matter as much. All right, we have one more word left. And there you have it. All of our letters are completely straight because we let the mat do the bending and we didn't bend the material to try and remove it from the mat. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Remember, when you're removing your materials from your mat, to flip your mat over and let the mat do the bending and hold your materials straight. And I really hope that this helps some of you in your Cricut crafting. If you have any questions at all, let us know in the comments below, and we'd love to help you out. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe to our channel for more Cricut videos. Thanks for watching.